Hey, gadget fans! Today, we're exploring the next level of portability and power with Apple's latest masterpiece, the MacBook Air 15-inch M2. If you're on the lookout for a sleek, lightweight laptop that packs serious performance, this video is for you. Stick around as we dive into everything that makes the MacBook Air M2 a true game-changer in the world of laptops. Sleek and sophisticated design. Let's kick things off with the design. Apple has once again pushed the boundaries of elegance with the 15-inch MacBook Air, offering a larger screen in the same ultra-thin form factor we've come to love. The aluminum unibody is not just lightweight, but also sturdy, making it perfect for those who need a portable, premium laptop for work, school, or play. Weighing just a bit over 3 pounds, the MacBook Air 15-inch is impressively light for a laptop of this size, making it the ideal companion whether you're commuting or traveling. And of course, it comes in Apple's signature color options: space gray, silver, midnight, and starlight, giving it a refined, stylish appearance. M2 chip. Power meets efficiency. What sets this MacBook Air apart from its predecessor is the inclusion of the powerful M2 chip. The M2 chip takes performance to a whole new level, offering 8-core CPU and up to 10-core GPU options. Whether you're multitasking across multiple apps, editing videos, or running graphics-intensive software, the MacBook Air M2 handles it with ease. It's fast, efficient, and designed to maximize battery life, up to 18 hours, in fact, so you can stay productive all day without needing to worry about a charger. The display that dazzles. Apple has equipped the MacBook Air 15-inch with an immersive Liquid Retina display. At 2880 by 1864 resolution, it offers sharp, vibrant colors and stunning contrast. Whether you're editing photos, watching 4K movies, or reading text, everything looks crisp and clear. The larger 15.3-inch display also makes a noticeable difference for those who need more screen real estate without sacrificing portability. It's bright, vivid, and ideal for creators, designers, or anyone who values high-quality visuals. Memory and storage options. The MacBook Air M2 offers up to 24 GB of unified memory, allowing you to seamlessly switch between apps without any slowdowns. Storage starts at 256 GB and can go up to a whopping 2 TB, giving you ample space for all your files, applications, and media. Whether you're a student managing multiple projects or a professional dealing with large files, you'll appreciate the speed and reliability of Apple's SSD storage. Performance beyond expectations. The M2 chip brings significant improvements not just in speed, but also in thermal efficiency. This means the MacBook Air runs whisper quiet with no fans, even during intensive tasks. From editing high-resolution photos in Photoshop to running multiple Chrome tabs, you'll notice a big leap in performance without the device getting uncomfortably hot. Battery life. To keep you going. One of the standout features of the MacBook Air 15-inch M2 is its incredible battery life. Apple claims up to 18 hours of usage on a single charge, and that's more than enough to get through an entire workday or binge-watch your favorite series. Whether you're in meetings, on a flight, or just working from a cafe, this MacBook delivers long-lasting performance. macOS and ecosystem integration. Of course, we can't forget the macOS experience. Running the latest version of macOS, the MacBook Air offers a seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem. You can easily switch between your iPhone, iPad, and Mac with handoff. Use universal control to move your cursor from device to device, or AirDrop files in seconds. Apple's ecosystem is more cohesive than ever, allowing for a truly integrated experience across devices. Who is it for? So, who is the MacBook Air 15-inch M2 designed for? This laptop is ideal for anyone who needs a balance of portability and power. Whether you're a student, professional, or creative, the MacBook Air gives you the tools to work, create, and play without compromise. It's perfect for those who demand performance but don't want to lug around a heavy laptop. Final thoughts. In conclusion, the Apple MacBook Air 15-inch M2 is a triumph in design, power, and efficiency. With its larger display, enhanced performance, and legendary battery life, it's more than just a laptop. It's a portable powerhouse that delivers on every front. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with anyone on the hunt for a new laptop, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more reviews on the latest gadgets. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.